Hey there folks, it's Ontario Blizzard Watch. The story at the moment is the freezing rain happening in eastern Ontario. There's obviously rain and snow happening in other areas, but as we take a gander here, the freezing rain just seems to be continually targeting the Ottawa Valley, most of eastern Ontario it seems. So let's take a look at the future and figure out when it's going to stop. So this would be right now. That sound would be my cat tearing apart my computer chair. So as we move forward, we have more into 1 a.m., 3 a.m. still happening over here at 5 in the morning, and as we continue there's some snow, more snow, yada yada yada, but it starts to break off as we move into tomorrow. Let me show you the entire region here for the snowfall. This would be, let me zoom in a bit, I can give you a better angle than that. There. So, snacks, stop tearing apart the computer chair, please. It is expensive. Okay, so here is snow right there. We have some snow up here near Ottawa. Yeah, that would be right now, and let's move forward. So that's 11 tonight, 1 in the morning, 3 in the morning, 5 in the morning, 7, 9, here's noon tomorrow. Some bands, lake effect bands coming off of Huron here and off of Georgian Bay. So let's keep going on. We're looking at 2 p.m. Here is 4, 6, and that would be 8. So decent pockets of snow tomorrow, and the freezing rain should subside hopefully by tomorrow morning, but I'm sure the roads are going to be, as I mentioned before, atrocious. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.